Wood & Wick Co. Wax Melter. I am super excited about the Wood & Wick Co. Wax Melter because it is going to completely revolutionize the way that you make candles. And here's why. First of all, if you have been making candles for a while and you've been using a double boiler setup, you know that there are all these different steps involved. You can only fill your pouring pitcher to X amount of capacity. You need to continually refill it. You need to wait for the wax to melt, yada, yada, yada. This is amazing because you will be able to now make candles non-stop without having to mess with all of that double boiler setup, because this will already melt the wax for you and you'll be able to control the temperature easily. And it holds 19.84 pounds or 9 liters of wax. That means you can make more candles more efficiently. Who doesn't love that? So, the other really great thing about the Wood & Wick Co. Wax Melter is that it's super easy to open, easy to fill, and easy to clean. Who doesn't love something that is easy to clean? I know I am super prone to messiness, and I like things when I can get in there, scrub it down, and not have to worry about all these nooks and crannies. It has this nice wide opening for you to get in there and clean it out with some hot soapy water. And again, it's easy to fill. You can just throw your wax right in there. You don't need to worry about trying to fit it in a small, tight space. None of that. So that is the first thing that I really, really love about this wax melter. The other thing is the temperature control setting. The temperature control setting really helps you have control over your wax. You can check the appropriate mix and pour temperature for your wax blend, set your dial to that temperature, and then just check it right before you go to mix your fragrance with your wax before you pour your candles. That helps to eliminate the step of waiting for the double boiler again to melt down. You don't know what the temp is. You have to check the temp multiple times. This is great because you can set it right here and just check it once and let it do its thing. So super amazing, love that about this. And the other great thing about the wax melter is that it has an easy pour spout. It is helpful when you are on the go, you're trying to make candles really fast, you're trying to make a lot really fast. You literally just open and close this spout and release your wax in there to fill your pitchers, and you can just run and go with it. So again, the Wood & Wick Co. Wax Melter is completely revolutionary. It's going to save you time and energy and ultimately make your candle making process that much easier and that much more fun. If you like this video and you want to see more makers tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Happy making!